Before we proceed, subscribe to my channel Omkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it. Prove that sin 2a plus 2 sin 4a plus sin 6a whole divided by sin a plus 2 sin 3a plus sin 5a equal to cos a plus cot 3a into sin a. LHS sin 2a plus 2 sin 4a plus sin 6a whole divided by sin a plus 2 sin 3a plus sin 5a. First, consider first term and third term and adjust all these terms. Sin 6a plus sin 2a plus 2 sin 4a whole divided by sin 5a plus sin a plus 2 sin 3a. Now, using factorization formula, sin c plus sin d is equals to 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into cos c minus d upon 2. Therefore, sin 6a plus sin 2a represent 2 sin 6a plus 2a divided by 2 into cos 6a minus 2a whole divided by 2 plus 2 sin 4a, and in the denominator sin 3a plus sin a is 2 sin 3a plus a whole divided by 2 into cos 3a minus a divided by 2 plus 2 sin 3a. Then 2 common outside from the numerator and denominator, 2 into bracket sin 6 plus 2 8 divided by 2 4a into cos 6 minus 2 4 divided by 2 2a plus sin 4a whole divided by 2 common into bracket sin 3 plus 1 4 divided by 2 2a into cos 3 minus 1 2 divided by 2 a plus sin 3a. 5 plus 1 6 divided by 2 3. 5 minus 1 4 divided by 2 then sin 4a common outside into bracket 1 plus cos 2a whole divided by sin 3a common outside into bracket 1 plus cos 2a. 1 plus cos 2a, 1 plus cos 2a from numerator and denominator get cancelled. Then is equals to sin 4a is split into two parts, a plus 3a, sin into bracket a plus 3a whole divided by sin 3a. Now we know that sin theta plus phi is equals to sin theta cos phi plus cos theta sin phi. Then using this formula for numerator term, sin a into cos 3a plus cos a into sin 3a whole divided by sin 3a. Then using basic formula a plus b upon c is equals to a upon c plus b upon c. Sin a cos 3a divided by sin 3a plus cos a sin 3a divided by sin 3a. Sin 3a get cancelled. Then sin a into cos upon sin cot 3a plus cos a is equals to RHS. Well, prove that sin a plus sin 2a plus sin 3a plus sin 4a whole divided by cos a plus cos 2a plus cos 3a plus cos 4a is equals to tan 5a upon 2. Consider first term and last term. A plus 4a is equals to 5a, and the remaining two terms, second and third, 2a plus 3a is equals to 5a. Then LHS is equals to adjust the term, last term and first term. Sin 4a plus sin a plus use bracket plus second bracket sin 3a plus sin 2a. Similarly for denominator also, cos 4a plus cos a plus cos 3a plus cos 2a. Then using factorization formulae, sin theta plus sin phi is equals to 2 sin theta plus phi upon 2 into cos theta minus phi upon 2, and cos theta plus cos phi is equals to cos 2 cos theta plus phi upon 2 into cos theta minus phi upon 2. Using these two formulas, for numerator and denominator, sin 4a plus sin a is equals to, first formula, 2 sin 4a plus a divided by 2 into cos 4a plus a minus a divided by 2 plus 2 sin 3 plus 2a 3a plus 2a divided by 2 into cos 3a minus 2a divided by 2 whole divided by 2 cos 4a plus a divided by 2 into cos 4a minus a divided by 2 plus 2 cos 4a plus 3a plus 2a divided by 2 into cos 3a minus 2a divided by 2 is equals to 2 sin 4a plus a 5a upon 2 into cos 4 minus 1 3a upon 2 plus 2 sin 3 plus 2 5a upon 2 into cos 3 minus 2 a divided by 2 whole divided by 2 cos 4 5a divided by 2 into cos 4 minus 1 3a upon 2 plus 2 cos 3a plus 2 5a divided by 2 into cos 3 minus 2a upon 2. Common outside sin 5a upon 2 from the numerator as well as 2 sin 5a upon 2 into bracket cos 3a upon 2 plus cos a upon 2. From the denominator, cos 5a upon 2 and 2 common. 2 into cos 5a upon 2 into bracket cos 3a upon 2 plus cos a upon 2. Cos 3a upon 2 plus cos a upon 2 cancel from numerator and denominator. Same time 2 get cancelled. Sin upon cos represent tan. Tan 5a upon 2 is equals to RHS. Homework. Prove that sin 8 theta into cos theta minus cos 3 theta into sin 6 theta whole divided by cos 2 theta into cos theta minus sin 3 theta into sin 4 theta is equals to tan 2 theta. If you have any query or you want to solve the sum based on the topic included in my video, you can send it on my email ID. Have a good day.